Flamingo Adventures, exploring feeding wildlife in stunning 4K. Flamingos are water birds that have long, slender legs and are distinguished by their pink color. Flamingos are found in Asia, America, Africa and Europe. Flamingos are found in tropical and subtropical environments, wetlands such as shallow lakes and swamps, areas of warm, shallow water, mudflats, inland lakes and small islands. These birds live in specific places because of their diet. It lives in areas with humid environments from fresh to salt water. Flamingos usually stand on one leg with the other tucked under the body. This behavior also occurs in warm water, cold water, and on land. Standing on one leg reduces the energy expenditure to produce muscular effort to stand and balance on one leg. Flamingos are capable of flight, and flamingos in captivity often require clipping of their wings to prevent escape. Baby flamingos hatch with red-gray plumage, but adult birds' plumage ranges from light pink to bright red due to aquatic bacteria and beta-carotene obtained from food. Healthy, well-fed flamingos have a more vibrant color. White or pale flamingos are usually unhealthy or malnourished. Captive flamingos may turn pale pink if they are not fed carotene at levels similar to those found in the wild. The flamingo, which reaches a length of 1.2 to 1.4 meters, and weighs up to 3.5 kilograms, is the shortest type of flamingo. It is 80 centimeters long and weighs 2.5 kilograms. The wingspan of flamingos can reach 1.5 meters. Flamingos can open their beaks by raising the upper jaw as well as by dropping the lower jaw. Flamingos feed on brine shrimp and blue-green algae as well as insect larvae, small insects, and crustaceans, making them omnivores. Their beaks are specially adapted to separate mud and silt from the food they eat, and they are uniquely used upside down. The pink or reddish color of flamingos comes from carotenoids found in their diet of zooplankton and phytoplankton. American flamingos have a brighter red color due to the availability of beta-carotene in their food, while lesser flamingos have a paler pink color due to eating less of this pigment. Flamingos whose sole diet is blue-green algae are darker than those that they obtain indirectly by eating animals that have digested blue-green algae. Flamingos prefer to drink fresh water. They are equipped with glands under their eyes that remove excess salt from their bodies, which allows drinking salt water as well. Flamingos are very noisy birds. Vocalization plays an important role in parent and chick recognition, ritual displays, and keeping large flocks together. Flamingos are very social birds. They live in colonies whose population can reach thousands. These large colonies are thought to serve three purposes for flamingos: avoiding predators, increasing food intake, and using nesting sites before breeding. Both males and females in these groups perform simultaneous rituals. Group members stand together and appear to each other by extending their necks upward, vocalizing calls while raising their heads, and then flapping their wings. These displays stimulate the mating of these birds. Flamingos form strong pair bonds, although in larger colonies, flamingos occasionally change mates, perhaps because there are more mates available to choose from. Flamingo pairs create and defend nesting territories. They determine a suitable place on the mudflats to build a nest. Copulation usually occurs during nest building. Flamingos aggressively defend their nesting sites. Both the male and female contribute to building the nest and protecting the nest and the egg. After the chicks hatch, the parent's only expense is feeding. Both male and female feed their chicks with a type of crop milk, which is produced in the glands lining the entire upper digestive tract. The hormone prolactin stimulates production. Crop milk contains both fat and protein. After the chicks hatch, the adults and chicks remain at the nesting sites. At approximately 12 days old, the chicks begin to emerge from their nests and explore their surroundings. When they are 2 weeks old, the chicks gather in groups, and their parents leave them alone. Chicks that do not remain in groups are vulnerable to predators.